How to add sound effects in KineMaster. Now, in order to add sound effects in KineMaster, you just simply need to open a clip in KineMaster which you would like to edit. And after that, you just simply have to select the video or the clip exactly at the place where you would like to add a sound effect. For example, I'd like to add a sound effect into 8 seconds here like this. Just simply select this cursor exactly at the time where you would like to add the sound effect, and after that tap to this audio button. Now after tapping in the audio button, you will get to see a bunch of options in here. Just simply select this SFX option and it will take a little while to load the sound effects, and as you can see here, it has loaded a bunch of sound effects for me. You can get a lot of effects free and pro separately in here. You can also use the search button if you want a specific sound effect. Just simply select the sound effect that you want from here, and after that you will get to see the sound effect. Just simply tap to the sound effect which you want and tap to this plus button, and like this it will add the sound effect exactly where you want into your video, and you can play it and hear it after this. So this is how you add a sound effect in KineMaster. If this video have been helpful, don't forget to hit that like button.